whole family is out. Oh my gosh. I've never seen 4 of them. Look at here, look at here, look at here. This is beautiful. And I have dragonflies flying around. It's the only way I can get them is record them in the bathroom. Look at all these dragonflies. See if I can get in a little closer. Ooh, the backyard is full. Thank you. Eat some of those mosquitoes and gnats. Ooh. Alright, Squirrel has entered the chat. Alright. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay. Might want to play. But this is very entertaining. Then we have this bird here. Okay, alright, okay. Might be taking a dirt bath or something. Oh. I don't see any cardinals today and blue jays. We get those too. Oh, you gotta love nature. Oh my gosh.